and put your head like this. Now you're safe. Kaya boys, don't go to the gym. Your arms will be hard.
Paano ba gano'n?
Lugi ka dyan eh. Gumaganon yan.
Mag-int ako.
Hindi mo kayang tanggapin eh. Diba? Malakas